Hey guys, I've got something incredible to share with you today that's going to blow your mind. Now, I know many of you out there have been dealing with some frustrating issues in the bedroom. Maybe you've been struggling to last more than a few seconds, or things just aren't as impressive as they used to be. If that sounds like you, keep watching, because you're going to want to hear this. There's a special nut that's been quietly used in Nigeria for generations, and it's getting a ton of attention lately. Why? Because guys are swearing by it, saying it's helping them go from lasting a few seconds to up to 30 minutes. Yeah, you heard that right. It's like flipping a switch on your performance. And no, this isn't some weird pill or dangerous treatment. It's all natural, and I'm going to tell you how you can use it yourself. Imagine this, going from feeling unsure and insecure about your performance to being in complete control. Longer, bigger, and more confident than ever. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's becoming a reality for men using this secret. And the best part? It's not some complicated process. In fact, it's ridiculously simple. But don't just take my word for it, you've got to try it yourself, and when you do, you're going to be shocked at how effective it is. Now, before I tell you exactly what this nut is and how it works, I've got a link down in the description. You need to click on it because there's a short video that breaks down the full story and shows you exactly how to use this trick at home. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So, if you're tired of struggling with the same old issues and want a real solution that's backed by results, do yourself a favor. Click the link below and watch that video. You'll learn how to take advantage of this simple nut, and I guarantee you'll see a difference that'll blow you and her away. Guys, don't wait on this. You deserve to feel confident, strong, and in control in the bedroom. Click the link in the description, watch the short video, and find out how this Nigerian nut is transforming lives and making a massive difference for so many men. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side of this game-changing discovery.